Hey guys, it's James from Aussie Traveller here. While the crew takes a well-deserved break, I'm going to get started on dinner tonight. So, whilst I was starting, I thought I'd take the opportunity to run you through our collapsible storage range. As you can see, we've got the sink here that we've been washing our potatoes in, so that's going to be nice for dinner later on. We've already had to wash some of the dishes. Some of the guys got a bit hungry over lunch, so already in the drying rack here. Moving through the rest of the range, we've got a pop-up bucket. As you can see, really simple, flat design, and it pops out. You can use it to collect water from the river or put a bag in it and turn it into a bin. It's up to you. We've got a collapsible storage box here with a lid, so this can be used inside the caravan, or you can put it in your car wherever you need. And the last one on the list is our laundry basket. Nice slimline design, not like at home. So as you can see, I'm just popping it out here. Plenty of space in there for the...
Can you do our laundry tonight?
Yeah, thanks mate. As I said, you're a great bunch at Aussie Traveller, but sometimes they all deserve a little bit of a break. So I'm going to get going back on dinner. So thanks very much, guys.